A man was walking down a busy street, talking on his phone. Without noticing, his wallet slipped from his pocket and fell onto the pavement behind him. A moment later, two friends walked by and saw it. One of them picked it up. Inside was a lot of cash. His friend smiled and said, "No one saw, let's just split it." For a moment, the other friend said nothing. He looked at the money. Then he slowly closed the wallet. "What if this was your dad's wallet?" Just then, the man who dropped it came running back, checking his pockets, panic written on his face. The friend walked up to him and handed him the wallet. The man opened it and sighed with relief. "Thank you," he said. "That's my whole week's pay." The two friends walked away quietly. After a moment, one of them said, "Doing the right thing feels expensive." The other replied, "Not doing it costs more." Small choices reveal who we really are.